guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be playing Bakugan. As you can see, here are my Bakugan things. No one is gonna play with me, so I just got the wrong cards because I lost some of them. So first we'll see Pegasus. What she will get? She got this. For some reason, she doesn't open that goodly. Okay. I will put that back. This is what I choose for her because this is hers. Well, this thing went for nothing. We have to go again. I got some, but I lost them. Oh, here it goes. So, I just messed up the whole thing. So, I have to do this. Fix it. There we go. This is what I choose for him. The awesome one's enemy. Wait, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, look. So we put that right there. Now the Grand Ancilla. Already? Are you? Sometimes it doesn't open this one. It's just open that. Wow. Got that one. Let's do that all over again, but this is what I chose for him. Awesome one's enemy again. How to do that? Do that, and then we have to go do that. First, I'm starting with this tiny one. It could be, it's easy to transform, but there's my thing, so need to earn them. I just got all these cards because I wanted to see how they all look like. So for some reason, Pegasus doesn't have an attack. I don't know why. So this one belongs there. Let's do Pegasus next. This one is the hard one that had an instruction, but I lost that instruction. But here's another one. Let me just read it right now. One, get that. Two, do that. So, that. Wow. So, now, let's do her transforming into a ball. So let's do that, then that, then that, and then that. So there it is. I need to find a thing so it could just stand still like that. It's time for this one. This is how you transform it. Don't mind if it's very hard. And then, now we're done with making that one. Pegasus again. Wait, no, this one. That's a lot. I don't know why it flipped another card. I just don't know why. Here it is. An awesome one enemy. I don't know how many enemies they had. Just don't know how many. Next is Pegasus. Oh, there it is. Got this one. 100 only. Wow. Don't understand these clues from Bakugan. There's so many health. Here's the card for her. I guess it's so many cards. So many cards. So many cards. Ice Evolution must be hers. Axator. Wait, I think this is so confused. It's this, hers, and then this, and then this. I don't understand these. Let's check this one. The middle again. That's how many health. So it's 400.
400.
Don't understand some numbers. That's why. So here it is. Milius. Transform this one. So I just moved to Pegasus. So confused with this attack. Actually, I watched the Bakugan movie on Netflix. I just moved to Pegasus. Now for Pegasus. Just gonna do that.